Hey guys, today I'll be making taco cups. This recipe is a fun and unique spin on tacos. So let's get started.
So first you're going to need to cook the meat. I'll be using ground turkey. When I'm making taco meat, I also like to add some salsa just because it adds extra flavor. So once it's done, transfer it to a bowl. Preheat your oven to 375. So to make our taco cups, we're going to need the large burrito size flour tortillas. And we're going to cut them into a square shape. And then cut that square into 4 smaller, equally sized squares. Generously coat a standard size muffin tin with cooking spray. Line each cup with the tortilla sheet. Then we're going to add our taco mixture. And then top it with cheese. And then press it down and add another layer of tortilla sheet, taco mixture, and then a final layer of cheese. Lightly brush the tortilla edges with cooking oil. So let them bake for 18 to 20 minutes. When they're done baking, they'll look like this. Once your taco cups are done, you can add any additional toppings you'd like. You can add some sour cream, some guacamole, maybe some extra salsa, and enjoy!
And there you have it, taco cups. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with another demo.